34 Little Rock, 1024.
134, go ahead.
30 West, approaching the 140. It's a silver Toyota Camry, Arkansas. Adam Union King, 70 Ida, AUK 79.
going.
55 Little Rock, mile south Chevy at McDonald's on Broadway.
Just take the exit. Just take the exit. Take the exit. Take the exit.
I don't know, 64 98.
Just going on 64, 36.
Just west of I-30.
Just going on 34.
Right there, man.
Yes, sir. How you doing, sir?
Good. With the state police.
Yes, sir.
The reason I'm stopping you is because neither of your taillights are compliant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One, the driver's side is completely out, and the one on the passenger side doesn't have any red tint to it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a reason for that?
Well, man, I got into a wreck about 2-3 weeks ago. You know, just trying to get the money together. You know, yes, sir.
Okay.
You know, I just came from my dad's house and everything. So, yes, sir.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, sir. I mean, I smoked back in my house. I came from my dad's house, yes, sir.
Are you taking any prescription medication?
Yeah, yes, sir. This prescription right here.
Okay.
You know, it's prescribed with it.
You got your license on you?
Yeah, yes, sir. Pocket right here.
Any insurance on here?
Yeah.
There you go. You're good, man. Yep.
Adam 34, go ahead.
1098 for my last. Can you copy another 24?
Go ahead.
30 westbound Service Road at 6th Street. It's a silver Dodge Charger. Adam Union Edward 30 Zebra, AUE 30Z. Hey, roll those windows down.
So long they pull over?
What's that?
So like I pull over?
Is anybody in here wearing a seatbelt?
Yes.
I am. Until I seatbelts off, you pull us over.
Well, does that make any sense to be doing that? You also didn't come to a complete stop on 4th Street. Even if it's a red light, you gotta stop before you make that right turn. All of you put your hands on this headrest right in front of you. You got your license or ID on you? Not on your phone. Do you have the ID on your
my phone? I gotta get it remade. I lost it.
You lost it?
Yes, sir.
So do you have an ID or do you have a driver's license?
I got a driver license. I lost the driver license. I gotta get it remade.
Okay. Y'all have anything illegal in this car? No?
Sorry.
Okay. You do me a favor, step out. Y'all got a thing, you got any weapons on you?
You said what?
You got any weapons on you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The car smell like weed or something?
Step up. Turn that car on, you're gonna fall.
34 Little Rock, said 37.
Put your hands up! Everybody put your hands up!
Eighth and Collins, felony car stop. 8th and Collins.
Driver, slowly throw those keys out the car. Front passenger, put your hands out the car. Driver, slowly step out with your hands up. Keep your hands up. Let's go. Turn around. Slowly walk back towards me.
You get him.
Put your hands on your head.
If you move, you're getting shot.
Front passenger, slowly open the door from the outside. From the outside! Now slowly step out with your hands up. Turn around. Slowly walk back towards me. Keep coming. Face me. You got any weapons on you?
No, sorry.
All right, turn around. Give me your hands. The guy in the back driver's seat, what's his name? What's that? The guy in the back driver's seat all the way on the left, what's his name?
I don't know him.
34 Little Rock, we're 10-4, the car's occupied times 5, we're slowly calling him out. Negative, keep it held for now. Rear passenger on my side, slowly step out with your hands up. Walk back towards me. Turn around, walk back towards me. Let's go.
Hands on your head. Hands on your head. Hands on your head. On your head.
Middle passenger, step out on the passenger side. Keep your hands up. Turn away from me. Slowly walk back to the sound of my voice. Keep your hands up. But I got your raggedy ass though, didn't I?
Yeah, I ain't got you.
We got your raggedy ass though, didn't
I'm
we?
gonna be out tonight.
Your ass back there.
Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Hands on your head. Hands on your head.
Let's clear the trunk.
Out of this one, go ahead. 41144.